Hello everybody, hope you all are doing good. So today we'll practice a problem on Bowley's coefficient of skewness. As you can see this question, Bowley's coefficient of skewness continuous series. In continuous series data is grouped. So you can see here data is grouped 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So this is the frequency. Frequency is number of times it is repeated. So here you have 2, 5, 10, 6 and 2. Okay. So let's see the formula. Bowley's coefficient of skewness formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 into median. Median is Q2. 2 into Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. So this median is measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode. So that median is Q2, second quartile. Okay. So here you have the formula for Q1, Q2, Q3. Everything is same. What is changing? Only these values are changing. N by 4, N by 2 and 3N by 4. So these are the values that are changing. Rest all is same in the formula as you can see. Okay, so let's solve this. What we have to do, always remember whenever you have to do Bowley's coefficient of skewness, you have to find out the cumulative frequency for this. So we have always learn the formulas perfectly. Formulation of the table will be very simple. So see how the table is formed. You have class interval frequency as it is taken from the question. Then you are finding out cumulative frequency. So how do we find out cumulative frequency? 2 as it is, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. Okay, so it is adding on. Okay, so n, that is frequency, is 25. If you add all these values you will get 25. N or summation f is the same, total of frequencies. Okay, so now we formulated the table, we found out cumulative frequency and we found the n value. Now we are going to do calculation for first quartile. So as I already mentioned, we will find out n by 4. So n by 4, what is n by 4? N by 4 is 25 divided by 4, that is 6.25. 25 divided by 4 is 6.25. So you have to see where is the 6.25 lying in the cumulative frequency. So 6.25 will come here. 6.25 comes in between 6 and 7. So this becomes our Q1 class. Okay. So now first you identified the class. Now when you identify the class, you have to write the values from there. So L is 10, lower limit, frequency is 5, then cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is whatever is above the Q1 class. So we got all the values. L is 10, F is 5 and CF is 2. See, L is equal to 10, F is equal to 5, cumulative frequency is 2. Okay, is 2. So you can see the formula, L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into I. So I'll write it as it is, 10 plus 6.25 minus 2 divided by 5 into 10. Okay, so now first we'll solve this. Okay, 6.25 minus 2 is 4.25. 4.25 divided by 2. So now you can multiply these values. 4.25 into 10 is 42.5. Okay, then we solve this. 42.5 divided by 5 is 8.5. 10 as it is put down. So you get 18.5. So Q1 is 18.5. Okay, so just put it in the box, highlight it. Next we'll calculate Q2. Q2 is the median, measure of central tendency. Again, as I said, you will find out n by 2 first. Formula already I have given above. So n by 2 is 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2 is 12.25. 12.5. So you have to see where 12.5 lies in the cumulative frequency. So where does 12.5 lie? 12.5 lies between 7 and 17. So this becomes the Q2 class, median class. Okay. So L value is 20, frequency is 10, cumulative frequency is the value above it. Okay. So you can see I have written here L is 20, frequency is 10, cumulative frequency is 7. So now we'll substitute this in the formula. 20 L, n by 2 is 12.5 minus cumulative frequency 7, frequency 10, I is 10. Okay, now again I will solve this whole thing. I'll get 5.5, 12.5 minus 7 is 5.5. Then 5.5 into 10 is 55. Then 55 divided by 10 is 5.5. 20 plus 5.5 is 25.5. Okay, so remember, you can solve it the other way around also. You can put 5.5 divided by 10, you can write, and then multiply it with 10 also, whatever is convenient for you. So Q2 is 25.5. Okay, next calculation of Q3. Again, as I said, 3n by 4 you have to find Q3. 3n by 4 you're getting 18.7. 3 into 25 divided by 4. 75 divided by 4 is 18.75. Now where is 18.75 lying? Where's the cumulative frequency? 18.75 lies here in between. 18.75. That means this is the Q3 class. So this is L, this is frequency, this is cumulative frequency. 30, 18.75 minus 17 divided by 6 into 10. So 18.75 minus 17 is 1.75. 1.75 into 10 is 17.5. Then you divide 17.5 divided by 6, you will get 2.91. 30 as it is, you will write 32.91 is Q3. So we have found all the quartile values Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, so Q3 you got 32.91, then Q1 is 25.5, then Q2, I'm sorry, then Q1 is equal to 18.5. Okay, so all this value will substitute in Bowley's coefficient of skewness. So see, I have written 32.91, Q1 18.5, Q2 25.5. Here also same, Q3, Q1 you have written. Then you multiply these two values. 2 into 25.5 is 51. Then add these two values, 32.91 plus 18.5. You get 51.41 minus 51. Okay, divided by 14.41. Bowley's coefficient of skewness is 0.29. Okay, thank you so much. Practice this problem. Bye.